This is a cross from Shenzhen Cashew Technology, and we are the particular factories. And today I introduced for you the model 862. This is new model. Before we sell the 822, and compared to 822, this the new models that we improve the speaker cover like this. Yes, see, and this machine has the one. Yes, this the song list, and this the user menu, and also has the stick. Yes, this stick like this. See. This the metal stick. Yes. Hey, this two can put in on the desserts, and this is the waterproof bag for this machines that you can take anywhere you like. And here has the for these machines, here has the 0 to 9, total 10 numbers for the directly play the songs. And here has the timer buttons. You can set the timer to play any songs at any time. Here has the play next and pre-first, and play pause, and here is the play and the pause. And this is the models that you can set one song repeat play or the song the loop play like this. And here has the here is the USB port. The customers they can download from the download the songs from the computers, but this machine itself already has 210 songs, and this is the song list for it, totally 210. And here has the port for external speaker like this. We can yes connect this. We can connect this external speaker so that it can loud voice, and all our machines have made in China labels. That's very easy for the customers to do clean customers and like this. Yes, and all the two speakers output 8 watt is the very good quality and loud voice. And all our machines have a 12 months warranty. Yes, and we are the factory of particulars that we can customize anything. For example, you can customize the logos for customers, also customize the colors, and also the package bag for the customers. So welcome you visit our factory in Shenzhen, China. We can talk about the project details that we hope we can give you the good quality, good service, and fast shippings. Like this, we can set up our long-term cooperation. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.